Hello friends, this is Dr. Umesh Kumar Arya, Faculty of Media Studies. Friends, most of the times we stick to some traditional commands while giving our PowerPoint presentations, and if we know certain tips of effective presentation while making a PowerPoint presentation, then I'm sure it can increase the effectiveness of our presentation. So what are these tips? We would just see. This is one of the PowerPoint presentation. If you start the show by pressing F5, then the presentation would start. For example, at this point of time, if you want to tell something to the audience through the blackboard and the blackboard is not available, which is very common as far as big conference room are concerned, where is no provision of the blackboard and the chalk is there. So how to turn this PowerPoint presentation into the blackboard? If you are in the middle of the presentation, then just click W on the keypad. The screen becomes white. Now this becomes your blackboard. If you click right and go to the pointer options, then you can select your pen. Now this becomes a pen. If you want to write something, for example, if you want to do a diagram, then you can do like this, and you can show the interrelationship between these two things. This is the online blackboard. You can change the pointer option to highlighter. You can highlight this, or you can fill the colors also. Or if you want to draw a structure, then you can use this for drawing also. So friends, this way you can tell your idea in a graphic form in the PowerPoint presentation. If you press W again, then you would return to the PowerPoint again. So it is a toggle command. Toggle command means if you press W once, then it will become blank, and if you press W again, it will become in the presentation mode again. So this is one. Another one is, for example, during the presentation, if you feel that nobody is listening to you and everybody is watching the slide from the LCD, and you want to convey a point in which you feel the need of looking into the audience eyes, so what you can do is you can press B button on your keypad, and the screen would become blank or the black. So this way they will have to give an attention to you, and you can convey your point easily. And if you press B again, then the normal presentation mode would return. And friends, if we want to run some other program while keeping our PowerPoint presentation intact, then sometimes it is not possible. We have to end the show, and then we have to go to some other program like music file playing or the video file playing, and we have to stop the PowerPoint presentation there, and then again after showing the video we have to start the presentation again and again come to the desired slide. So friends, it is not required now. What do you do is you start the presentation. Suppose you are in the middle of any one of your presentation, and you are carrying on with a good show. Suddenly the needs come that you want to play a music file, so you don't have to end the show. Just click W again, it will become white, and click on the right side and go to the switch programs. Now your PowerPoint show is intact, plus you are given this tray. You can launch any one of the programs from here. You can open the MS Office Excel file also. You can work on this and then you close it. Your presentation is intact, it is running. Again, if I want to run the music file, then again I have to type something and I must click this. Now the music file is being played. If I close this, then I can return to my PowerPoint presentation. This is intact, and again I can press W so that it becomes the PowerPoint show again. So friends, these were some of the tips in order to make your PowerPoint presentation a very effective one. And these tips are very common, but it is very unfortunate that people, they don't use it for their presentation. So if you use them, then I think you would be able to increase your effectiveness of the presentation before the audience. Thank you very much, friends.